Today, Josh and Emily will receive God's greatest gift, another person to share life with, grow with, change with, be joyful with, and to stand as one when trials and tribulations enter their lives. This kind of love is needed for a lasting marriage. This is a selfless, self-giving, committed love that puts the other one first. God is love. God's infinite, unselfish love is shown in that He gave His Son to save us when we only deserved His judgment. He has loved us with an everlasting, unconditional love. This is the kind of love that God has for us, and He makes this kind of love available to all of us so that you can love each other like Him. As Christians, we have all that material we need to build a strong marriage. We have our love for one another enhanced by God's love, and that is continually being poured into our hearts by the Holy Spirit.
Take me where the sun is shining. Watch the mist roll down the mountain. A place where we can go.
We are gathered here today in the sight of God to witness and bless the sacred union of Josh Gibson and Emily Gribler in holy matrimony. We stand here to honor and celebrate the love shared between these two people as they come together to start their new life with a solemn vow, surrounded by their closest family and friends. I know Josh and Emily are overjoyed you could all make it today.
The way your hair falls on your cheek, the look you give that makes me weak. A love I've never known. The glimmer in your ocean eyes, the way they catch the morning light.
Josh and Emily, let me challenge you to both remember that your future happiness is to be in mutual consideration, patience, kindness, confidence, and affection towards each other. It is the duty of each of you to find your greatest joy in the company of the other. To remember that your love pledge today must remain undivided for a lifetime.
And make it reality.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
I, Josh, take you, Emily, to be my wife,
I, Emily, take you, Josh, to be my husband,
To have and to hold
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or poorer,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Marriage is a joyous occasion. It is connected in our thoughts with the charms of love, the warmth of home, and with all that is pleasant, as being one of the most important events of our lives. Its sacredness and unity is the most significant and binding covenant known in all relationships. Josh and Emily, having witnessed your vows for marriage before God and all who are assembled here today, by the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Josh, you may kiss your bride.
told that couples that can smile, laugh, and be there for each other, even through the rain or snow, are the couples that will smile, laugh, and be there for each other through all of life's challenges. No matter what this situation has been, Josh is always there for me. He's just a phone call away. So Emily, I know that he'll always be there for you too, rain or shine. A day like today only comes once in a lifetime, and it goes by so fast. So later tonight, take a moment together to be alone and really appreciate everything and everyone that has come together to make this day meaningful.
And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape where no one is but you and I. Make our home in the sky and I'll hold on to the wings on your back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll part the clouds to make our bed. It's our home in the sky. Goodbye to all the troubles we carry, letting go of all the bad things. Summer or snow, love in the seasons of life. And is it okay if we take a walk through the country, leaving behind the big city? Both of us know home waits for us in the sky. I wanna share my life with you, 'cause you're an angel in disguise. I swear I don't want any other, and I have wings when I'm with you, my love. And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape where no one is but you and I. Make our home in the sky and I'll hold on to the wings on your back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll part the clouds to make our bed. It's our home in the sky.
If you know Emily, she's very selfless. People around her. She's very hardworking and driven, and I'm blessed to be standing next to this stunning bride I call my sister. Josh, I knew you were the one for Emily when you asked me if you could marry my sister. Everything about her changed when you came around. You made her the happiest person, and I think I can say on behalf of everyone close to her, we can tell what a great husband you will make for her. I want to thank you for being such a gentleman and coming in and changing her life for the better. You both are the perfect match for each other and bring out the best in one another. I can't wait to see you both grow and husband and wife in the many, many years to come. Make sure to always keep God in the center of your marriage and love each other more through the hard times. I love you both.
I wanna fly away.